What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Stihl GTA 26 mini chainsaw. Now, it will get used again at some point this year because you know how special this machine has been used almost. Because you suspected this machine exactly, which is like, if you see how this attack will get used at some point this year because you see how much suspected this machine exactly. And I do hope some point this year will get used at some point this year because it did get used this year. I was very surprised to see it got used almost quite a bit because just look at this machine here exactly. Because you see, I was expected this thing exactly. It definitely looks very nice looking machine, in my opinion. So I do hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year for 2025 exactly. Which it's definitely how much expected this thing exactly. It's definitely how much expected this machine exactly. Which we hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year. Because you never know how expected this thing is going to get used almost like quite a bit because because like I said, this thing exactly is going to get used almost like quite a bit because even though this thing exactly is going to get used just how I decided this means I could just have to look something pretty nice like in my hand. But even though this machine's been used almost like a couple times already, because you see how much expected this means I could just definitely how expected this means I could just definitely how much expected this means I could it will get used again at some point this year because you see how much expected this means I could just definitely look something pretty nice in my opinion. And it will get used again this year because I know since the fact this thing's gonna get used almost like quite a bit because like I said, well, you suspected this machine's been used almost like quite a bit because you see how much expected this thing's like it just definitely looks pretty much what you expected. This exactly which is definitely looks pretty much what you expected. Things like now you do have to gauge the thing to go to push it down because a lot of times the machine doesn't get used almost like quite a bit because you see how much expected this thing exactly which it will be used again at some point this year because you see how much expected this thing exactly which is definitely how much we expected this thing which it's definitely how much we expected this thing exactly which is definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. So it will get used again at some point this year for 2025 exactly which is definitely looks very nice looking machine in my opinion. It will get used again.